Hello students, in this session I am going to discuss the solid state first chapter of chemistry. First of all, I will discuss the introduction of solid. Those substances which having definite mass, volume and shape are called solid. The intermolecular distance of these substances are very short and intermolecular force of attraction are stronger. Intermolecular force of attraction are stronger. Constituent particles of solid cannot oscillate about their mean position. They cannot oscillate. They are rigid. They are incompressible in nature, so they are rigid. On the basis of nature of arrangement of the constituent particle, solid are classified in two categories. One is crystalline solid and another is amorphous solid. We define these two solids. First is crystalline solid and second is amorphous solid. In case of crystalline solid, the constituent particles are arranged regularly. Regular arrangement are present in crystalline solid. That means the particles are arranged regularly, systematically as it is. And in case of the amorphous solid, the particles are arranged irregularly. Crystalline solid are long range order and amorphous solid are short range order. Next difference is they have the sharp melting and freezing point. For example, the melting point of the NaCl is 800 degrees Celsius. It cannot be melted up to 799 degrees Celsius. It melts exactly 800 degrees Celsius. That is the sharp melting and freezing point. And amorphous solid have the rough melting and boiling point. They are given, in case of the crystalline solid, they are given sharp cut, and amorphous solid they given irregular cut. Amorphous solid are given irregular cut. Crystalline solid are anisotropic. That means the physical properties like reflection index, conductivity, electrical conductance are different in all directions. The physical properties of crystalline solid are different in all directions. Therefore, they are anisotropic in nature, and amorphous solid are isotropic in nature because their physical properties are same in all directions. Amorphous solid are anisotropic in nature because their properties are same as in all directions. The example of crystalline solid are diamond, all metals and alloy, quartz like SiO2. SiO2 in the form of the quartz is crystalline, but in the form of the glass is an amorphous solid. Example of amorphous solid are glass, plastic, rubber, etc. Classification of crystalline solid on the basis of bonding. On the basis of bonding, crystalline solid are 4 types. On the basis of intermolecular or interionic or interatomic force of attraction, the crystalline solid are further classified in 4 categories. One is ionic solid or crystals, second is covalent solid, third is molecular solid, fourth is metallic solid. These solids are differentiate as the constituent particles of these solids are as the constant particles of ionic solid, positive and negative ions. In case of the covalent solid, their constant particles are atoms. In case of molecular solid, constant particles are polar and non-polar molecules. Positive metal ion and C of electron. In case of the metallic solid, their constant particle is positively charged metal ion, that is known as core or kernel, and the C of electron. Various number of electrons are also present with metal ion. Second property is bonding. In case of ionic solid, the strong electrostatic force of attraction is present in between the oppositely charged ion, cation as well as anion. So there is ionic bond or electrostatic force. In case of the covalent solid, covalent bond is present in between their constituent particle, that is called atom. That means the atoms are closely associated with covalent bond. In case of the molecular solid, H bond, that means hydrogen bond, dipole bond, van der Waals bond. These types of the bond are present in molecular solid. Hydrogen bond, dipole attraction, van der Waals force. These bonds are very weak as compared to the other. In case of the metallic solid, metallic bond is present. Third property is conductivity. Conductance. Ionic solid are conductor in case of molten state or aqueous solution state. Conductor in molten state or aqueous solution. In case of the aqueous solution or molten state, the attraction force between the cation and anion is loose and these ions are free. Therefore, they have the tendency to flow the current through them in their molten state as well as aqueous solution state. They are insulator. They are bad conductor of electricity. They does not have free ions and free electrons. Covalent compound, covalent solids does not have any free ion or free electron. Therefore, they are insulator in nature. In case of molecular solid, they are also insulator. Conductor. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity, so they are conductor in nature. Physical property. Next, properties, physical nature. Hard and brittle. Very hard, soft, hard and soft. In case of the physical nature, the ionic solid are very hard and brittle. On hammered, they are break into smallest pieces. They are very hard or hardest material, just like to diamond. In case of the molecular solid are soft. For example, ice is soft in nature. Metallic solid, some metals are hard and some metals are soft. Melting and boiling point, sharp, high, very high, low, high and low. Some metals are melt at low temperature. For example, tin, lead, etc. The example of ionic, last property, last difference is example of ionic solid is NaCl, KCl, ZnS, etc. The example of covalent, graphite, diamond, carborundum, SiC. Molecular solid, ice, solid ice, S8, P4, etc. All metals and alloy. All metals and alloy are the example of metallic solid. They are insulator except graphite. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity, but it is an example of covalent solid. Therefore, the crystalline solid are classified as in 4 class. To understand this chapter, keep 3 words in your mind. These 3 words are: one is lattice point, crystal lattice, and unit cell. The crystalline solid are formed with the help of the atom, molecule or ion. The atoms, molecules, ions are represented as a dot point in crystal lattice as well as in unit cell. These dot points are studied as a lattice point. At the place of the dot point, at the place of the lattice point, atom, molecule and ions are present, which indicate as a dot point. So lattice point are mentioned as a dot point in crystal lattice and unit cell. crystal lattice और unit cell में जो lattice point है उसकी जगह पर हम एटम मॉलिक्यूल और आयन को एज अ डॉट रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. इज इट क्लियर? वन बाय वन क्रिस्टल लैटिस और लैटिस पॉइंट डिफाइन करेंगे. लेट अस सी क्रिस्टल लैटिस. The regular three-dimensional arrangement of regular 3D arrangement of atoms molecules or ions in space called crystal lattice. The regular three-dimensional arrangement of atom, molecule or ion, they are collectively called constituents particle. Constituents particles. Atom, molecule, ion in space. The regular 3D arrangement of atom, molecule or ions in space called crystal lattice. The crystal lattice formed with the help of the unit cell. Unit cell, it is the smallest portion of crystal lattice. It is the smallest portion of crystal lattice which when repeated again in different direction, it is a smallest portion of crystal lattice which when repeat in different direction form crystal lattice. Lattice point and unit cell, these are the important word for understanding this chapter. The regular three-dimensional arrangement of the atom, molecule, ion in space is called crystal lattice. Unit cell is the smallest portion. It is the smallest portion of crystal lattice which when repeat in different direction generate a crystal lattice. Entire crystal or crystal lattice is called unit cell. It is the smallest portion of crystal lattice. Unit cell further classified in two categories. One is primitive unit cell and second is non-primitive unit cell. So type of unit cell, unit cell. Primitive unit cell, non-primitive unit cell or centered unit cell. It having only one example, simple cubic unit cell. Simple cubic unit cell, SC. Non-primitive unit cell further classified in three categories. Body centered unit cell, BCC. Face centered unit cell, FCC, and center unit cell, ECC. In short, they are mentioned as BCC, FCC, ECC. Body centered cubic unit cell, face centered cubic unit cell, end centered cubic unit cell, end centered cubic unit cell. One by one, these unit cells are explained. First of all, I will discuss primitive unit cell or simple cubic unit cell. In simple cubic unit cell, the particles are present at the corner of cube only. The unit cell are, all types of the unit cell are cubic, but in case of the simple unit cell, the particles are present at corner only of unit cell. In simple unit cell, the particles or lattice points are present at corner of cube, the particle is present at corner are 8. A cubic system having the 8 corner, 8 particles are present at corner. The particle which present at corner share 1 by 8 part in one unit cell. So the total number of particles in one unit cell, the 8 particles are present at corner and only 1 by 8 part were used in one unit cell. Therefore, in one unit cell of simple cubic unit cell, only one particle is present. 1 by 8 here, 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8. The particle is present at the corner share 8 unit cell. Therefore, only 1 by 8 part will used in one unit cell. So the number of particles present in one unit cell of simple cube is 1, and the radius r equals to a by 2, and the radius of atom is calculated by using this formula. The radius of atom equals to A by 2. A is the age length. This is the age length A. The distance between two neighboring atom or constituent particle is called age length. So total number of ages are 12 in cubic arrangement. The radius of atom is calculated by using this formula. These things are studied for unit cell. In case of the simple unit cell, in unit cell, following position are present. Corner, edge, center, face, body center, face diagonal, body diagonal. The total number of these places and the sharing of the particle in one unit cell which present in them are corner 8, part of atom used in one unit cell. The number of particles in one unit cell. Position, total atoms, corners 8, 1/8 part will be used in one unit cell. Body center 1, whole particle will use in one unit cell. सेंटर में जो पार्टिकल होगा उसका पूरा का पूरा हिस्सा वन यूनिट सेल में यूज होगा, कहीं शेयर नहीं करेगा और जगह। तो यहाँ 1 × 1/8 इक्वल टू 1 1 फेस 6 1/2 part will use in one unit cell. The particle is present at the face of the unit cell. 1/2 part will used in one unit cell. The number of particles, so total particles are 6. 1/2 particle will used in one unit cell. The total number of particles are 3. 8. Are present. 1/4 part will use in one unit cell that present at the edge of the cube. So total number of edges are 12. And 1/4 part will be used in one unit cell. The total particles are 3 is present in one unit cell. This calculation is used for finding the molecular formula of unit cell in given compound. This calculation is most important for finding the molecular formula of unit cell. Now, one by one, you can explain different types of unit cell. BCC, body centered cubic unit cell. In this types of the particle, the body centered cubic unit cell is the example of non-primitive unit cell or centered unit cell. In non-primitive unit cell, the particles are present at another place excluding the corner of cube. The particles are present at the corner of cube and another place of the cube also. In centered unit cell, the particles are present at corner as well as another place of the cube. In case of the BCC, body centered cubic unit cell, the particles are present at corner and the 8 particles are present at corner and 1 particle is present at the center of cube. Particles are present at 8 corners and 1 particle is present at the center. The total particle equal to 8 plus 1 equal to 9 particles of per unit cell equal to 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1. The total number of particles of corner are 8 and 1 by 8 part will be used in 1 unit cell and the particles will present at center of the cube. Whole particle will be used in 1 unit cell. The total number of particles in 1 unit cell are 2. The total number of particles are present in 1 unit cell are 2. The body diagonal of this unit cell. This is the body diagonal of unit cell. In this case 1, 2, 3. This is the body diagonal. Body diagonal of BCC equal to 4R. क्योंकि R So body diagonal is equal to the 4R. According to mathematics, the body diagonal of cube is equal to root 3a. So the radius of the atom is equal to root 3a upon 4. This formula is used for finding the radius of atom in case of BCC arrangement. In case of FCC arrangement, FCC, face centered cubic unit cell. In case of FCC arrangement, face centered cubic unit cell, the particles are present in this types of the unit cell. The particles are present at corner of cube and center of each face. Right face, left face, bottom face, upper face, front face and back face. Total number of particles of the center of face are 6. In these types of the unit cell, the particles are present at the corner as well as center of each face. Therefore, the total number of particles are present in unit cell are 8 particles of corner plus 6 particles of face equal to 14. But the number of particles of per unit cell are the particles which present at the corner calculate as 8. Total particles are 8. 1 by 8 part will use in 1 unit cell. Similarly, the total number of particles of face are 6, but 1 by 2 part will use in 1 unit cell. Therefore, the total number of particles are 4 in this units per unit cell. For finding the formula for calculate the radius of atom, we can use the body phase diagonal of this unit cell. This is the phase diagonal. So phase diagonal equal to 4r, 1r, 2r. Diameter is used of this atom. Half r will use in this atom. R, 1r, 1r, 2r and r. Total 4r. The phase diagonal of FCC unit cell is equal to the 4r, which is equal, according to mathematics, it is equal to root 2a. Therefore, the formula for finding the radius is root 2a upon 4. Root 2a upon 4. In case of FCC arrangement, the particles are present at in case of ECC arrangement, particles are present at corner and 2 different faces. Particles are present at corner and 2 opposite faces. Therefore, the total number of particles are 8 plus 2 equal to 10, and the particles present in 1 unit cell, only 2 particles, 2. In case of the ECC, radius, new position is not created, therefore the radius is not find in ECC arrangement.